Hi, I'm Anna. Today, I'll show you how to start a conversation with a stranger in English. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow me easily. This can happen anywhere, at a bus stop, in a cafe, or in a park. And yes, this is how I met Michael. Let's go back to that rainy night. Now we start scene 1, meeting for the first time. We will learn how to greet and ask simple questions. Listen to how two people start talking in a friendly way.
It was a cold, rainy night. The street was almost empty. Streetlights shone softly on the wet road. Raindrops fell from the roof of the bus stop, making a steady sound. The last bus had not come yet. Under the small shelter, two strangers waited. They stood a few steps apart. She looked at the timetable on the wall. He held his phone and an umbrella in one hand. Neither spoke. The only sound was the rain.
Excuse me, do you know if the last bus already passed?
Oh, no, not yet. It should be here in about 10 minutes.
Good. I was worried I missed it.
Yeah, missing the last bus is the worst on a rainy night.
True. I really don't want to walk home in this weather.
I don't blame you. It's cold and wet out there.
Yes, and the street looks so empty.
That's normal at this hour. Everyone's already at home.
Now we start scene 2, getting on the bus and talking a little more. We will learn how to find a seat and talk about our day. Listen to how small talk can help people get to know each other. I didn't even bring an umbrella today.
Really? That's unlucky.
I know. I thought it wouldn't rain tonight.
At least the shelter is keeping you dry.
Yes, but my shoes are already wet.
Same here. My socks are wet too.
That's the problem with this weather.
Exactly. The rain just keeps falling and falling.
And it's so cold when the wind blows.
Yeah, the wind makes it worse.
I can hear the water dripping from the roof.
Yes, and I can hear the rain on the road.
It's a nice sound, but not when I'm stuck outside.
That's true.
I'm Anna, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Michael.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you going to Green Street?
Yes, I am. Do you live near there?
I do. Just a few blocks away.
Oh, I live near the park.
That's not far from me. Looks like we're on the same bus tonight.
Yes. I'm glad I'm not waiting alone.
Me too. It makes the time go faster.
I think I see the bus lights.
Yes, finally. Here it comes. After you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's warm in here.
Yes, much better than outside.
Where do you usually sit?
Anywhere near the window. I like to look outside.
Me too.
Let's sit here.
The streets look so different in the rain.
Yes, the lights look softer.
And the colors, they look warmer.
I like how the road shines after rain.
Me too. But not when I have to walk on it.
That's true. Wet shoes are the worst.
Do you work far from here?
Not too far. I work near the train station.
Oh, I pass that area sometimes.
What about you?
I work at a small cafe.
That sounds nice.
It is, but tonight was busy.
Busy days make time go fast.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes, if I'm at home, I like them.
I like them when I can drink hot chocolate.
That sounds good. I usually make tea.
Tea is nice too.
Maybe next time we can both have our drinks and watch the rain.
Maybe. Now we start scene 3, a longer talk on the bus. We will learn how to talk about hobbies, favorite places, and weekend plans. Listen to how the conversation becomes warmer and more personal.
The rain makes the city look different.
Yes, it feels more quiet.
On nights like this, I like to listen to music.
Me too. What kind of music do you like?
Mostly soft rock. Sometimes I listen to old songs.
Old songs? Like from the 80s?
Maybe. Or even older.
I like jazz sometimes.
Jazz? That's interesting.
My father plays jazz at home on Sunday mornings.
That sounds nice.
It is. I like how it makes me feel calm.
Do you watch movies too?
Yes, when I have time.
What kind of movies?
Romantic comedies. And sometimes old black and white films.
Really? I've never watched black and white films.
You should try. They feel warm in a different way.
I'll add it to my list.
And you? What movies do you like?
Action movies, but not too loud.
So you like quiet action movies?
Something like that.
That's interesting. Oh, we're passing River Park.
Yes, I come here sometimes.
Me too. I like walking here in the autumn.
The big trees look amazing with yellow leaves.
And the smell. It's so fresh.
I sometimes bring my camera here,
Oh, you take photos?
just as a hobby.
That's nice. I usually bring a book and sit on the bench.
That sounds peaceful.
Do you have other favorite places in the city?
There's a small bakery near the train station.
Really? What's special about it?
The smell of fresh bread in the morning.
That's enough to make me visit.
I can show you someday.
I'd like that. There are empty seats at the front. Do you want to move?
Sure, let's go. So, what do you usually do on weekends?
I like to sleep late and then read at a cafe.
The same cafe where you work?
Sometimes, but I also try new ones.
That sounds nice.
And you?
I often go to the market on Saturday morning.
For shopping?
Yes, and to take photos. The colors are amazing.
I can imagine. Fruits, flowers.
Exactly.
Do you ever cook?
Sometimes, but I'm not very good at it.
Me too. Once I tried to bake bread and it turned into a rock.
That's better than my soup disaster.
Soup disaster?
I forgot the salt and put sugar instead.
No. Did you eat it?
Only one spoon, then I threw it away.
I would do the same.
That little shop is still open.
Yes, they sell amazing hot chocolate.
Now I feel like having one.
Perfect for a night like this.
Maybe next time we can stop there together.
That would be nice. Oh, this is my stop.
Mine too.
Really?
Yes. Looks like we walk in the same direction.
That's nice.
Maybe we'll see each other again.
Maybe. This is the end of our rainy night story. Today, we learned how to meet someone new at the bus stop. We learned how to get on the bus and talk about our day. And we learned how to have a longer talk about hobbies and favorite places. You can try these conversations in your own life. The more you practice, the easier it will be. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps me to make more stories for you. And maybe this is not the last time Anna and Michael will meet. See you next time.